Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the page or app where the widget will live and selecting the insertion point. Once you've updated to the latest version, pick the correct size and aspect ratio so it won't break layout. Then import your visual assets, icons, colors, a short micro animation, so everything is ready. Make sure to name layers logically. This saves time when styling. Finally, add the widget container and a placeholder element so you can test structure before applying aesthetics. Now you style the widget using variables for colors and spacing so adjustments stay consistent. Once done, define interactive states: hover, focus, and active, with smooth transitions to keep motion subtle and elegant. Make sure to bind UI controls like toggles or sliders to the widget's properties so you can tweak in real time. This is where you refine contrast and animation speed. If you need responsive behavior, add breakpoints and test at multiple widths to preserve the aesthetic. To finish, validate the widget's performance and appearance by testing across browsers and devices. Look for layout shifts or clipped elements and fix them. Next, optimize, compress images, inline critical CSS, and minimize JavaScript so loading stays snappy. Once done, deploy in a staging environment and watch for regressions. If something breaks, use fallback styles or feature detection to gracefully degrade functionality. This single troubleshooting step prevents the widget from failing on older platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.